Hello and welcome to our channel. We'll look at the top 5 health benefits of beef that you probably weren't aware of. So, take a seat, relax, and let's get started. First, protein superstar. First and foremost, beef is a high-protein food. In reality, 100 grams of beef contains 26 grams of protein, which is necessary for the formation and repair of tissues in your body. Furthermore, beef protein is of high quality and contains all of the important amino acids your body requires. Second, iron-rich. Another unexpected benefit of beef is its high iron content. Iron is essential for the maintenance of healthy blood cells and the prevention of anemia. In fact, beef is one of the best sources of heme iron, which your body can easily absorb. So, if you're feeling tired or run down, beef may be just what you need. Third, high in zinc. Beef is high in zinc, a mineral that is essential for your immune system, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Zinc is also necessary for keeping good skin and hair, so eating beef may help you look your best. Fourth, beneficial to brain function. Believe it or not, beef is beneficial to your brain. It contains choline, a vital vitamin for brain function and memory. In fact, beef contains more choline per calorie than any other food, so it's definitely worth considering if you want to keep your brain sharp. Fifth, promotes muscular development. Last but not least, beef promotes muscular development. It contains a variety of minerals, including creatine, which aids in the growth of muscular development and strength. Indeed, studies have shown that including beef in your diet can aid in muscle building and athletic performance. Thank you for watching.